guys need to go support her. This young lady here, all of us here in this house, we're going to school. We have actually been to school. For me, my mom actually tried in putting me through at least secondary school, and just from there I can help myself. But for her own, she didn't even finish primary school. No father. The mother that was there was not just, no money, and she was not in position to help. So I'm sure that's why she actually went to do house help.
Editorial, you say you are tired. I see your video when you dropped yesterday. You say you are tired. Are you sure you are really tired? That title, now just clickbait, I be what? Are you sure you are really tired? Editorial, go and pay piston money. Go and, your ego is too much. True. Your ego is too much. Now, I don't they say, and for me, I don't I feel like you say you they pass through this, but you know what you are doing. You know what you they do, editorial. You know what you they really do. True. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this face, please do where to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Drop your comments. Your comments go like this. Editorial, go and pay piston. Drop those your ego. Editorial, go and pay piston. May una drop that comment in my comment section. I don't know editorial for anywhere. I don't know piston for anywhere, but we see there on social media. We see ourselves on YouTube, and we take ourselves as a sister, as a brother, as everything. I see talk for my last video say, nothing. God forbid. We know here is something. Whether editorial or piston, we know happy. You understand? But see two people they fight when their family not coffee talk put to call. Editorial realize say no be piston they fight you. You are fighting with the world. You are fighting with people who they wash you now. Remember one of your video, I pick her. I want to use and talk to you. You by yourself bring piston, come and say she need help. Today they pay you, say piston, they use your name till they collect money. And you not use your name to collect money. You give her the opportunity for her to shine. You know, when God want to bless somebody, not be true animal go take bless you. Now true human being go take bless you. The lady said, pay me my money. You block her. Then you say you pay with naira. Me person I want it down for here for peace to reign. I said go and pay with naira. I said please Tom, collect naira. Not let my own table. I don't know other people turn against you, please. Because nobody go see say every day. Not be say we tired. We are content creator. We react to waiting we see. Me, I'm not tired. But it's good to react with your name for good, not for bad. Editorial. I said, okay, pay with naira when you say you want to pay. That is, you not just reach your mind. You they play with yourself. Not be what they play with. I will draw down my word if it's too harsh for anybody. Una one they come my comment section say, nobody is perfect. Me, I'm not perfect. Oh, I'm not perfect at all. But something like this, I believe I will be perfect. Something like this editorial character, I believe I will be perfect. What is this? You that lady, I look like mature lady when you drop that comment from my comment section. Can't you talk to this editorial? I say, what is she they do not good? First of all, you come outside with apology. Tell people, say, don't help me pay for Choice TV. Choice TV, God go bless you. Money when they dash piston, you dey tell person, say, God bless her for using her platform. Her platform and your platform, which one big parts? You, when you get 3 million, almost 3 million when you get editorial. Una one they say, the editorial, they do her like this. No, they say, what she they do? She they play with people emotion. She they play with people like, I don't even know how to put it. Una know they see her. Una open una eye now. Una try see now, my people. I don't hate editorial. But when you see truth, stand for the truth. When you see truth, stand for the truth. The lady said she no collect naira. Okay, because they say make she collect naira. And when you say write that statement, now midnight, she dey sleep. This morning, yesterday morning, now she replied to you, pay, you don't block her. That is not reach your mind. Or you dey find all those evidence when you want to say against her for court. I bring this video for you. You by yourself bring piston on social media. You say make they look una around. Say all of una go school. Say piston not go school. Only that video. I cut her. So that in case you delete that your video, you hide her. Piston can use anybody video like this. You bring piston come outside. You say she don't get papa. Mama when you get, she's not capable of taking care of her. That's why she dey do her as girl. Have you forgot? The editorial. You don't forget all those things when you stay, when you talk. You say that her say make she give you your stakes. You still there your YouTube. You say make the lady give you your space. So you know they play with person with content. The lady really give you space. Now when you say make she upload, now you she dey upload. Now when you don't use the video to upload, now she go upload. And you still tell Lord say now because of her YouTube accent, now she take on. Say she's not your herself. Now your sister. Can you treat your sister like this, editorial? Can you treat your sister like this? I dey ask you, editorial. Can you treat your sister like this? Can you? And you even say you still call your husband, say somebody they come in her house. So your husband say, I hope not be troublesome person. I hope you say you investigate, not be troublesome person. That your husband, when you call, when he give you go ahead, why can't your husband be see what they happen now to attack? If you they read, they take words from your husband to talk, for that your video. What is this? You try to play with people. I don't understand. You write on your comment section, I beg, I apologize, anybody want to offend, or later you go wrong, delete her. You dey find people comment when you want to use against her for court. Editorial, forget. They say nobody they pray for court case. Me, I not pray for you for court case. I reject any spirit of trouble, any spirit of court case. I reject it for you and Piston. But as you dey take this matter now wetin you want be that. Percy, make peace reign. You say no. Okay, maybe because we are too small to ask you, Abi. You don't know who they talk to you. You don't know people when they call for line. You don't know person when you don't offend, when you vow with his sweat, say he go deal with you. Be careful. You don't be mothers. You don't be mother. I dey tell you, you don't be mother. If person they treat your daughter like this, you will take her. If person they treat your daughter like this, can you take it? I dey ask you, editorial. Person they treat your daughter like this, what you they treat Piston so you go take her. Now they say they no collect, but everybody, including me, if Piston say no collect naira again, I support her now. Because I don't see you say you bench woman for church. You don't get heart of God. You don't get that heart when many of us, me, I tell they look you don't get her. How could you? Now your money. Now you work put. Now your money, editorial, they ask you, I put this word to you. That money when they your hand, now your money. Now you work put. If now you work put, if you come across this my YouTube, I'll tag you. Drop her in the comment section. Go use another account. Or use your face. Drop and then go delete. I don't say now your second name now. Delete, drop and delete. Yes. Go and pay Piston money. All those of that bring and come down. Remember when you dey struggle. People like no one suffer. They know they maltreat people like this. But your own now extraordinary. I don't believe that you really suffer. You dey lie. You really see auntie when he rescue you, because if you really suffer, you know do Piston like this. Let's listen to some of video with fast forward down. Part 2 still they come.
I'm here to introduce to you guys who she is and why she is with me, not with me, why she is with us and why she is in this house, okay? And if she is my help, or if she isn't my help, if she's my sister or she isn't my sister, let's find out what we have here. Okay, so your name first.
Hi guys, my name is Piston.
Okay, and there's something I wanted to actually add, but I did not add it, so let me add it now. She has a YouTube channel because she has actually opened up her YouTube channel long ago, and she was formerly staying in Lagos, like based in Lagos, work and all of that in Lagos. So yeah, so what's the name of your YouTube channel?
The name of my YouTube channel is Piston.
Okay, so your name is Peace, so we can address you guys can address her as Peace, right?
Yes.
All right, so are you planning to change location are you planning to change base?
Yes, really, I'm thinking of that, but let's see how that will be.
Okay, so are you my help or not?
I'm your sister, I'm not your help.
Okay, so you guys hear that from the horse's from the horse's mouth. I do not have a help right now, okay, and let me tell you how that happened. She's actually from Akwa Ibom and I am from Akwa Ibom, and yeah, that is the sister. Okay, hold on. Let's give you more details. Let's give you more details. So how did you become my sister?
Okay, when I started my YouTube channel, I follow her for a very long time, so I always watch her and I love her personality. I love her even when I did not see her. So I always pray to meet her, to have a contact with her. So one fateful day I asked for it, and
lady, a young lady who love your personality, who love you for distance. Now you can't be wetin French they call bube. Go write am for Google. Bube. Now you go for your eye now. Dirty. They see when they admire you before. You don't talk to dirty. Now let's see to many of folks. Person thing, not let them ever enter your eye, because if you enter your eye, that respect when that person they give you before, it will take am from you. It will be like bube for your eye. It will be like nothing for your eye. A lady who they in fact she dey dream. If she don't know how she will take get your contact, you open door for her. You don't know how to handle her again. If you will be really good person, editorial, this lady, she stay with you, she carry you, respect you, as she dey go house. You will package her so that that memory, she will never forget her. All those na video, na not the watch am. Una supposed to carry this matter drop. All those na video. I dey ask you now, una no dey watch am again. Editorial. A lady who said in fact, she dey hungry. She's hungry to get your contact. Now you dey fight. I pity for you. My people, I'm listening to her small. I don't want to make this video too long, okay?
She needed help in her channel, and I've said that before, right? I'm sorry I'm repeating it because I need you guys to help. And she has a whole lot of stories that she has actually told me, which I'm like, why not tell it out to your subscribers? Because they need to hear the stories. You guys are going to be enjoying some very, stories, sad stories, life stories, a lot of things, and I'm sure you guys are going to like her channel. And in your channel, you have to be real. Don't try to.
Editorial, somebody when you say she need help, why can't they pay you now? Say people they help her, can't they pay you? Editorial, somebody when you say she need help, may your subscriber now through you. Person like me come on, we connect before, but now through you. I never watch this in a video. YouTube last for me. YouTube suggested for me yesterday night. As I click on, I see an interview. Editorial, somebody when you break come outside say she need help. A lot today, I go break her down. If you not need that more, I go bring her come out for now. Person when you say she needs help, say her mom not capable of taking care of her. That's why she go. I will still bring that part come out. Person like that, now you they deal with so editorial. You get conscious so. When you cry to your subscriber, say she need help. Person when you say she need help, why you they hold her money now? Why? Editorial. You see why many people they vex with you. Editorial. Person when you bring come outside, when you say she need help, why you they hold her money? Now your money. Editorial. Why person money they pay you like this to release? People like you now. This one unless it to you, or unless it to human be like you now. When person money they enter on an eye. No, not ever touch person money. If person money they enter on an eye, not ever touch that person money. Anybody money. Because you know they want to enter you to release them, go be problem. Go be like they draw your hair for nose. My people, as I see the video now, I say me I people can talk to her. Editorial, go and pay pistol money. All those your tactics when they use, it will not work for you. Drop drop comment. Then when people comment, you quick screenshot her, you quick hold on for you for evidence. It not work for you. You bring this lady come out for us, say she will need help. Then people they donate for her. Why they pay you? Why they pay you? Do you know they get a help? You know they not be waiting you teach her. Now you tell her now say make she be real for vlog. And as you take be real for vlog, now so she still be real for vlog. Everything about her, now she they bring come out. As the master take teacher, now so she take they follow the footstep. Why are you so like this, editorial? Remember, you are a mother now. What did they not do you? What did they not do your child? What did they not do your sister? Don't do other person you. If, for example, you don't give a piston her money, and people go they fight to me, I know don't. Me personally, if I do that, they tell me they leave because I'm a niche of my channel. I'll say they leave you. But you can't also somebody money and you they do you play. I just say you know they do vlog. Don't you make your play for the video they come. Okay? I'll see my editorial say go to discuss. But they win by default. Down, I'm a me happy, down.